M-Konstruktor company presents steel molds for the production of reinforced concrete freestanding retaining walls. The process of assembling one steel mold takes a week. The ready mold will be 6 meters in length, 4 meters in height and will weigh 8 tons. These steel molds will be sent to the plants of the Olenegorsk and the Murmansk. There, they will be cast reinforced concrete retaining walls for the construction of warehouses of bulk materials in the Murmansk Commercial Sea Port. Reinforced concrete retaining walls are used not only for the construction of warehouses of bulk materials, but also for the construction of excavations and embankments in the construction of railways and highways. Hydrotechnical utilities made of retaining walls from shipway and fishway tunnels. His adjoining shoreline with streambed and access channels. When we assemble each mold, we work with the metal as with the constructor. Our engineers will design steel molds for all type of reinforced precast concrete products. M-Konstruktor. We shape the metal accessibly for you.